সুপ্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীরা, আশা করি ভালো আছো। ঘিওর সরকারি কলেজ কর্তৃক আয়োজিত অনলাইন ক্লাসে তোমাদের সবাইকে স্বাগতম। তোমাদের সাথে আমি আছি নওরিন জাহান, প্রভাষক, উদ্ভিদ বিজ্ঞান বিভাগ। তো আজকে আমরা শুরু করতে যাচ্ছি তোমাদের পাঠ্যপুস্তকের নতুন একটি অধ্যায়, অষ্টম অধ্যায় টিস্যু এবং টিস্যু সিস্টেমের টিস্যু সম্পর্কে প্রাথমিক আলোচনাগুলো আজকে আমরা করব। তোমাদেরকে একটি ভিডিও দেখাচ্ছি, এখান থেকে তোমরা ধারণা নিবে টিস্যু কি, কত প্রকার।
Tissues. A tissue is a group of cells having a common origin and usually performing a common function. Based on cells' capability to divide, tissues are classified into two main groups, which are as follows. 1. Meristematic tissues, and 2. Permanent tissues. See different types of tissues in the above chart. 1. Meristematic tissues. Cells in the meristematic tissue are capable of dividing. Meristematic tissues are found in those regions which need to grow continuously. Growth in plants is largely restricted to specialized regions of active cell division called meristems. Greek word meristos means divided. Plants have different kinds of meristems. For example, root tips and stem tips contain meristematic tissues. Meristematic tissues are of following types: A. Primary meristems and B. Secondary meristems. A. Primary meristems. Primary meristems appear early in the life of a plant and are responsible for the formation of primary plant body. Primary growth involves development of new parts of a plant and growth in length of a particular part. Primary meristems are of two types. A. Apical meristem. They are found in root tips and stem tips. In stems, during the formation of leaves and elongation of stem, some cells are left behind from shoot tip and constitute the axillary bud. Such buds are capable of forming a branch or a flower. B. Intercalary meristem. They are found between mature tissues. They occur in grasses and regenerate parts removed by the grazing herbivores. B. Secondary meristems. They are found in the mature regions of roots and shoots of many plants, is called the secondary or lateral meristem. They are cylindrical meristems. Fascicular vascular cambium, interfascicular cambium, and cork cambium are examples of lateral meristems. These are responsible for producing the secondary tissues. Permanent tissues. The cells of the permanent tissues do not generally divide further. After divisions of cells in both primary and as well as secondary meristems, the newly formed cells become structurally and functionally specialized and lose the ability to divide. Such cells are termed permanent or mature cells and constitute the permanent tissues. During the formation of the primary plant body, specific regions of the apical meristem produce dermal tissues, ground tissues, and vascular tissues. Permanent tissues are of two types. 1. Simple tissues, and 2. Complex tissues.
তাহলে এতক্ষণ আমরা যা আলোচনা করলাম তার উপর তোমাদের বাড়ির কাজ থাকবে টিস্যু কি, জটিল টিস্যু কোথায় পাওয়া যায়, মেরিস্টেমেটিক শব্দটির উৎপত্তি কিভাবে হয়েছে আর অর্থ কী, মেরিস্টেমেটিক টিস্যুর প্রকারভেদ আলোচনা করো। সাথে থাকার জন্য সবাইকে ধন্যবাদ।